How's it going, everyone? As always, God bless you and thank you for being here. I'm Gage and this is Candy Coral Aquatics. So for those of you guys that saw that video I uploaded earlier today talking about the experimentations I was running with my tank with the no-pox and then the bare bottom system, I just got home a little bit ago. I did a water change, so you know, stuff's gonna look a little bit sloppy. You guys know how it goes. You get in the tank, you start swapping out water, you're digging around, stuff gets agitated. It takes, you know, a couple of hours for everything to kind of settle back down and look really good again. So just don't mind the tank if stuff looks a little sloppy right now. I literally just got done with that water change and I actually took too much water out. Like I didn't even have enough to put back in, but that's okay because the corals are covered. So here is the starts of the bare bottom tank, guys. So you can see here, there's that sand that I did remove. All right, so I removed some over here, and then I removed some back in here. So it doesn't look like I did very much, but you actually want to take this nice and slow. So you can actually see here, this is all bare right in here, which I'm actually digging the look of. It doesn't look like much in the video because, again, not a lot of it was removed. So it's going to be kind of hard for you guys to get an idea of what this is going to look like. But everything's doing really good in the system. Look at the, these are kind of angry, but the polyps are in on them. But the coloration in a lot of these corals is actually looking a lot better since I started dosing the no-pox. Now, I've only been doing it for about 2 weeks, so I'm not really going to tell you guys to go out and start doing it. I'm not really going to give you a lot of positive feedback right now because it's only been 2 weeks. The only thing that I will say is when I got home today, I was actually gone a couple of days for work. When I got home today, I will admit that the tank did look cleaner. So that is definitely a plus. Let me go ahead and show you guys exactly how much sand I removed here. So there it is right there on the bottom of the bucket. You can actually see it's not that much. You know, I really didn't remove that much. The white stuff in here is coffee filters. I was thinking that maybe I could put a strainer in here, you know, in the top of the bucket with the coffee filter and kind of catch the sand and then put the water back in the tank if I had to, but that didn't end up working. So this is not a lot of sand at all. But one thing that I do want to mention is you guys would not believe how gross this water was. Like just from pulling it out of the tank, just that little bit of sand that I pulled out, this water was like dark brown. So that just goes back to what I was telling you guys earlier about how tanks, you know, the sand bed inside tanks just become nutrient dumps. This sand bed is only like what, like a year old? If that's however long my tanks have been running, which it can't be much more than a year, I don't think. I'm bad with timelines, but I know it's not much more than that. So that being said, in that short amount of time, this water was just, I mean, almost black. It was just so dark brown and full of stuff. And that's not a lot of sand. So that begs the question, how much crap is being built up in tanks that are 3, 4, 5, 7 years old? So I'm starting to believe more and more that going that bare bottom route really does keep things stable. And it's a lot easier to maintain. But, you know, we'll see. I'm going to take it slow and kind of just see where it ends up. But yeah, guys, so I just want to show you that I have started the process and I will be updating you as we go. If you haven't yet subscribed, please think about subscribing, guys, because, you know, I do share a lot of information about reefing on this channel. And, you know, anybody that would like to subscribe and, you know, check out my videos would be greatly appreciated. Till next time, guys, take care and God bless you.